What's up guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you how to do is how to change your team in Fantasy Premier League Pro, or rather how to make changes to your team. Now, when you actually open up the application, and let me just make a disclaimer off the start, when you I am only covering the application on the mobile phone. I will not be covering the browser version. The browser version is the same on both mobile devices and on PCs. However, there are a few subtle differences which I will not be covering in this video. Now, when you actually enter the application, you will be greeted by this latest news screen, where you will see, of course, all the latest news about players, about games, and about, in general, happenings in the Premier League. Now, to actually enter your team changes, what you want to do is click first on the fantasy icon in the middle bottom of your screen, and that will take us to our overview screen. This is pretty much the main menu where you see your team status, all these menu options, and of course news and videos, leagues and cups, and so on and so forth. Now, to actually change your team or to make changes to your team, what you want to do is click on the transfers button and you will be taken to this screen. To actually transfer a player, you need to click on one. For example, let's say Cedric. When we click on him, this screen will pop up and you just want to click replace, and you just pick from this list of players you have here and make sure that the price of the player is enough, or that you can cover it with your bank balance, as you can see on the top. Every transfer during the season will cost you money and points, unless it's the first in the week. For each game week you get one free transfer. However, after that you will have points deducted from your team every time you make a transfer. However, there is one catch. Before the first game week, before the first deadline, you can make as many changes to your team as you want without any penalties. So let's say, for example, I want to get Van Heck in my team. I just click on him, click next, and then click confirm, and now that player will be in my team. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in another video.